Despite its small profile, the Osmo Mobile 4 is packed with features.
Hi, I'm John Webster. I'm an adventure photographer and videographer here in Idaho. So usually when I'm out in the outdoors, I'm shooting photography and video with some pretty heavy gear. Doing that is kind of strenuous as well as it's a process. So this weekend we're backpacking into this lake that's behind me, unpacking a little bit lighter than usual.
The new magnetic quick release allows you to easily attach your phone to the mobile phone, making sure that you never miss a moment.
There's a lot of rugged terrain around here, so it's a really fun place to trail run, kind of test your abilities. Scrambling on the rocks is a really great place to run around.
The Osmo Mobile 4 is controlled by the DJI OM. This is an all-in-one solution that lets you capture, edit, and share your attention. It includes a variety of modes and features, including the latest in ActiveTrack technology, which recognizes subjects with greater accuracy.
Spin shot mode is really fun to mess with. You can create some really cool effects. We were playing it up in the trees as well as cliff jumping. The interface with this application is so straightforward. What I thought was most impressive was the motion lapse, the way that you could easily program a time lapse with motion panning. To think about even 10 years ago how that was such a process for filmmakers to do. I also am packing in my Mavic M2, which we're going to be doing a little bit of drone shots there.
If you're looking to produce your own edited video, but unsure of how to start, Story Mode offers creative templates to help you create versions.
So one feature that I really liked about the OM 4 was the floating camera. It's really cool. I can set it up for 3 different points, and I have 5 seconds to run around and break different poses, so I can cover 3 different point area. Really fun if I want to show off some different poses and I'm all alone.
You know, step up to gather the smoothness and the trails and kind of the scenery of this whole thing. You're not focused on the